Since I left, you stood the test of time like a leader. It got too far, and I will always linger. You went away to
Hey everyone, my October Planner Society kit just came in a few days ago and I'm so excited to open it with you and see what's inside. And I'm going to be showing you this unboxing today, and then in my next video tomorrow I will be showing you how I'm using this kit in my Happy Planner, and it's going to be a little bit different from what you're used to, so definitely stick around to see that video. So the first thing that I noticed was these beautiful sequins, and these are really good to use with shakers or other projects. This is the cutest. It's a little cat wearing a scarf. I can't wait to use this. I absolutely love this fall theme, and these die cuts are so adorable. And look at these coffee mugs with these cozies. So cute. These stickers are beautiful. They have rose gold foil on them, and some of them are trackers. So there's 7 hearts on the cat and the pumpkin. I cannot wait to use these. The colors for this month are beautiful. I love this pink with the coral and this kind of grayish blue. So these are pockets, so you can slip. They have this clear sleeve on the front, and you can just slip something inside of there. This could work to store maybe like a gift card or coupons or something that you want, or tickets. Something that you need to have on hand in your planner. This is a cute clear stamp of a girl holding pumpkins. I always have kind of a hard time with the post-it notes if it's just a design covering the entire post-it note, but luckily this month there's some blank space so I can actually use the post-it notes, so I'm really excited about that. And this has gold foil on it, so it's really cute. Oh, I love this plaid. This washi tape is so beautiful. It has gold foil on it in this floral pattern that's very similar to this, but I think, in my opinion, I think the washi tape is even prettier, so I definitely want to use this in my Happy Planner. I love the glitter this month. These are stickers.
We've been on and off and off and on too many times. Maybe we should draw the line.
Tomorrow I'm going to be showing you how I use the contents of this kit in a monthly spread in my Happy Planner, and that's something I haven't done before, so I really hope you enjoy it. So I'll see you then. Bye!